Aditya, and today I'm going to be presenting is steroid and hormone used in animals used for food okay? And this is going to be the against point of view. So to start us off, I'm going to talk a little bit about the history. Steroids and hormones have been used in food since the 1950s. They were used to help improve the growth rates of animals, the efficiency by which they convert the feed that they're eating into meat. Another reason steroids and hormones were used in animals was to help improve animal behavior. So, like for animals that were older and stuff like that, to make sure they're not going crazy, and that it's a more safe environment for workers. And then also the Food and Drug Administration, or also known as the FDA, approved for the use of natural estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and their own synthetic versions of these hormones and steroids. Next, we're going to go over what steroids are. So steroids are one of a large group of chemical substances classified by a specific protein structure. Steroids include drugs used to relieve swelling and inflammation, such as prednisone, cortisone, vitamin D, some sex hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. They are primarily used to, once again, improve the growth rates of animals so that animals are growing at basically a faster rate, so if they can get them in and out of feedlots or farms as soon as possible and get them to the consumers. So next we're going to go over what hormones are. So a hormone is any member of a class of signaling molecules produced by glands in multicellular organisms that are transported by the circulatory system to target distant organs to regulate psychological and behavior. So once again, basically just to try and keep these animals as calm as possible, since a lot of workers do get hurt because animals can be very rowdy and crazy. So that's why we try to give them these hormones just to try to calm them down, I guess you could say. Produces these hormones to help with animal protection, also trying just to keep them calm. So the ethical aspects. While the FDA claims that the use of steroids does not have any negative effect on human health, a certain amount of consumption can cause defects in both animals and humans. So for pregnant women, if they consume too much of these steroids, it can cause the baby to have birth defects or then have problems with their pregnancy or in the process of giving birth. And also a healthy amount of these drugs is okay. Some animals, but also some producers don't give the proper amount of these drugs, which can cause health problems in both animals and humans. So while there is a safe way to practice giving steroids, not everybody practices them the proper way, which is what makes these drugs dangerous to both human and animal health. So next we're going to go over the psychological importance. So growth promoters include hormonal substances and antibiotics are used legally and illegally in food-producing animals for the growth promotion of livestock. So basically, once again, it's just saying that they are trying to just give these animals steroids so that they grow faster, so that they can get more food into the market, not really taking into consideration or really caring about human health and also the well-being of the animals. It's for the producers mostly just about making as much money as they can. While it is said that these drugs are safe, some producers not practice the proper safety when distributing them. So by not giving them proper dosages, by giving too much, giving too little, it really can affect the quality of the meat and also the quality of life that the animal is having. And also it can really affect the health of the producer, because consuming too much of these steroids and hormonal drugs is detrimental to anybody's health. It is important for us to understand that steroids may improve the growth rate of animals by speeding up the production process, but is it that important when both animals and human health can be compromised. So while yes, we are getting more meat as the population is growing, we obviously need to produce more food, but is it really worth it when we're compromising our own health and also the health and well-being of animals? It just doesn't seem rational when it can have both negative effects. And yeah.
So I am Sierra Harmon, and I will be discussing the current events. Some people would argue that hormones and steroids being used in animals for livestock can harm people when the meat is consumed. So when the hormone and steroids are being injected into the livestock for the livestock's purposes, they fear that if they eat the meat, that the hormones will be in their body, in their system, and it could cause damage from inside. The certain countries and stores will not allow meat treated with hormones to be sold. So certain countries banned meat treated with hormones. Stores as well, butcher shops, they won't allow meat that has been treated with steroids and hormones. And they won't sell it off to the public because they feel like it's like tainted meat, it's bad meat. And women who have eaten meat during their pregnancy have reported that they've given birth to sons with a lower sperm count. Again, this goes up to people believing that the hormones can cause damage to a person's body when they eat meat. And they've come out with sons with a lower sperm count. That can be quite dangerous. Hormone use has caused problems before, including the use of too much or dangerous hormones. So, like before, the FDA was very strict on hormone use. They could have been using completely dangerous hormones to humans, dangerous hormones to the animals themselves, and that's just scary thinking about. There is no proven way to be sure that the hormone levels used are monitored before selling, and this could be extremely dangerous. There's just too many cows out there, too many people working in livestock, too many people selling off meat to just monitor each and everything that shows what type of hormones are being used, how much hormones is being injected. It's just impossible. And that on its own can be very scary to think about, that someone can be doing unethical works on these animals, and it could cause a problem in the humans that eat the animals. Hormone use can lead to cows to increase their lactation, which could lead to udder-related injuries. This means the cow will then be treated with more antibiotics than regular. So with increased lactation equals more udder-related injuries, more antibiotics, which is injected into the cow. Also, increased hormones can also lead the cows to become sick, which again leads to increased antibiotics being injected into the cow. Why shouldn't we support the use of hormones? Increased hormone use for livestock can be harmful not only for the animal, but for humans who have consumed the meat. This brings us back to people being scared that the hormones being used is going to cause harm in their bodies. And they're also worried for the animals themselves. Like, what are the hormones doing to the animals? How are we sure that the animals are okay with these hormones? Increased hormones from an outward source can lead your body to actually reject the hormones. If your body doesn't like what's going inside of it, it's going to reject it. You're going to throw up, you're going to get sick, and people are going to not want to eat a product that is treated with hormones if the treated hormone product caused them to get sick. Estrogen was once used as a hormone, and it caused young women to reach puberty earlier. The hormone was later taken out, but who is to say that they are using proper hormones as of today? The estrogen was used, and they used a lot of it, and many women or young women reportedly were hitting puberty much earlier than they should have been, and that was a big problem. So they took the hormone out, or they lessened it. But only because that huge problem happened did they take the hormone out. They thought it was ethical at first until the problem happened. So who's to say that they are using ethical hormones as of now because there's not some huge problem going on that they don't know about? An informed opinion, there have been many problems caused that seem to stem from the hormone and steroid use in livestock. However, there is not enough proof to say that the hormones are the main factor, even though a lot of people have had problems and sickness and even developing puberty much earlier. There's not enough physical evidence to actually prove that the hormone use is the problem. There's a lot of outside factors that could be going on. And there's just not enough evidence to actually prove that. The use of hormones in livestock used to be pretty bad, and it did in fact cause problems. The hormones are changed, but does the hormone use only change when there's a large problem stemming from the use? This brings us back to when the girls were reaching puberty much earlier than they should have. It was a huge problem, so the hormones changed. But are they using proper hormones today? Are they using proper steroids today? Are they using enough dosage? We don't know if they're actually dangerous for humans to consume at all. We don't know if we should be having a large amount of that. It's just kind of scary because you actually don't feel like, oh God, I'm losing it. Okay, it's kind of scary because I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, it is also a bit dangerous that there is not a way to properly monitor the use of hormones on livestock and if the practices are even ethical. Again, there's just too many cows, too many butchers, too many livestock people that are selling off meat. It's just too much. There's no way to monitor each and every single cow, how they're doing, what kind of hormones they are taking and how much, if it's even the right kinds of hormones, if these hormones are doing okay. It's just way too much. It's kind of impossible. And that's scary as well, because you don't know, there could be some farms that are doing back alley ways of putting their hormones in their cows, or just even using shoddy hormones. And that's kind of scary. So there are pros for hormone use in livestock. So in 2018, the export from the U.S. was up 12.6% more than in 2017. Hormones were proven to give animals more growth and quicker growth. Hormones added more than $300 per head for the animals. Cows produce 10 to 20% more milk, increased lactation when giving hormones, and 10 to 15% more daily growth for beef and cattle. And then these are our references that we used. And I guess that concludes our against presentation for whether steroid and hormone use in animals are okay.